Hello there, so behind me we've got a 3-bedroom detached bungalow in Tregadillett in immaculate condition throughout, with PV solar panels, a modern fitted kitchen and a pristine shower room as well, in the heart of this fantastic community in Tregadillett, near to all facilities. So without further ado, let's go and explore what this no chain bungalow on the market has to offer.